Hi friends, let's understand reference variable in C++. So reference variable is the alias name to existing variable. Its syntax is like this: data type, reference, reference variable name, and then variable name. Int x equal to 10. Okay, then how to make a reference variable? First we have to assign data type int, then we have to assign reference, then reference variable name. You can give any name. I will give reference name is r, equal to what? Variable name is x. So r is the reference variable to x. What is the address of x? Equal to, what is the value of x? What is the address of reference variable r? What is the value of r? See here, the address of variable equal to bc for c, value is equal to 10. So let's understand. So assume that our address variable is what? 1000. Here it is, originally it is bc4c, but assume that it's 1000. What is the value we are assigning x to? 10. The value we are assigning x to 10. Okay. R is alias name to x, so it means that if we change the value of r, it will affect the memory location 1000. R equal to 20. Okay, and again printing it. So it is affecting or not affecting? Let's see. Save, control, build, then run. Yes, the value of x is changed, the value of r also changed. So limitation of reference variable must initialize. If you don't initialize reference variable like this, if you build that, see, we have an error. Which type of error? Here, error, declare as a reference variable but not initialize. It must be initialized. Okay, must be initialized. Then can't refer to a constant. So if I do int r reference r equal to 100, save, control B. So again error, we cannot initialize constant to a reference variable. That must be a variable. Okay, once reference variable created, it cannot refer to another variable. Okay, so means if I create a reference variable r equal to x, okay, I have another variable int y equal to 20. Okay, and I decided that int reference of r equal to y. Is it possible? Okay, a reference variable can't re-refer to another variable. Okay, so we can create one function void swap with reference variable int reference of x and int reference of y. Okay. Reference variable x XOR with reference variable y, then again a reference variable y XOR with reference variable x, then again reference variable x XOR with reference variable y. So okay, this is a single line instruction to swap to variable. So now we can use here swap with reference variable x and y. Let's print the value, run. So x equal to 100, y equal to 20. Now x equal to 20, y equal to 100. We extend the scope of x and y. X and y now can be used in this scope also. Swap also can use x and y. So we can achieve it with pointer also, but pointer is more difficult than reference. Swap with pointer. Okay, same thing, int star pointer x, then here int star pointer y. So I will copy this same instruction, control C, control V, but swap here star pointer y star pointer x, star pointer x, swap with pointer, Control C, Control V, but we have to pass here addresses of x and address of y. Pass addresses, we are not passing here direct xy, and in with pointer you have to pass address. First thing that it's not look good as here, okay, and it's difficult to understand. Play. So first x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Now x equal to 20, y equal to 10. Then again we swap the value. So what is the difficulty with pointer is that it also create extra variable, and reference of x pointing, reference of y pointing to that variable. Pointer variable that have its own location that pointing to the x location, and pointer y will point to the y location, means 2000. So extra memory is created with pointer, but with reference there is no extra memory is created. With reference we can save the memory. That is the advantage of reference. Reference is easy to understand. Reference is not so difficult like a pointer.